Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it, runtime error. So how we can fix it? First you need to know that you can have this error when you try to update your system, or maybe sometimes in another ways. So just choose your battery and just right click on it and choose power options. So here you will see your power options and choose change plan settings, and here you choose change advanced power settings, and here you scroll down and choose AIT graphics power settings. So just click here, and here you will see maximize performance. So here must be maximize performance. So if you have here maximize battery life, change it to maximize performance, and just click apply, OK, and now you need to restart your computer. So after you restart, your error will be fixed and everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.